Breaking first on Times Now, gangster Vikas Dubey arrested, and it seems that his arrest has taken place from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh. Just about initial details trickling in, we are expecting more clarification on this front. But what do the initial updates suggest is that Vikas Dubey has been arrested from Ujjain's Mahakal temple. And this gangster, remember, was on the run since the night that police raid took place at his residence in Chaubepur. Amir, this would be massive. Vikas Dubey finally arrested, and it seems this happened in Madhya Pradesh.
Preeti, Vikas Dubey did have Madhya Pradesh connections. In fact, he was married within a family which actually came from Shahdol in Madhya Pradesh, which is why the STF teams that were sent behind him first after Kanpur went towards Madhya Pradesh. And Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan were the two states wherein the police was alerted by the UP police about Vikas Dubey being on the run. And therefore, the police actually believed that he could actually find some place to hide in all these places. Now, also claims being made by UP police as well as Haryana police that he was seen in Faridabad about 24 to 48 hours back. How come he managed to flee from Kanpur to Faridabad and then back?
I'm going to interrupt you for a bit. I want to draw our viewers' attention to these exclusive images first on Times Now. Police taking this gangster Vikas Dubey from the location that he was arrested. These visuals are exclusive to your channel, and we are the first channel to break this news for our viewers this morning that a dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey, who is accused of ambushing and murdering 8 policemen of UP police, is finally arrested. 6 days after that raid took place at his residence in Chaubepur on the intervening night of 2nd and 3rd of July, gangster Vikas Dubey finally arrested. Visuals playing out on your screens first on Times Now and exclusive to your channel. And Amir, in fact, you were explaining to us that it is quite possible that Vikas Dubey tried using his connections in Madhya Pradesh, even some family connections he had in the state, and that could have really drawn him so far away from Kanpur.
Well, absolutely. As I said earlier, his in-laws stay in Shahdol town in Madhya Pradesh, and therefore a number of police teams were dispatched there. In fact, his brother-in-law had also been picked up from Shahdol, somebody who was a partner in crime earlier with Vikas Dubey. But we were told that it was about 15 years ever since he had left the field of crime and was involved into a personal business there. But the police clearly believed that since there were very little options before Vikas Dubey, especially after the police declared a reward on him, a reward which was initially declared to the tune of rupees 25,000 was increased to 50,000, then 1,50,000, 2,50,000, and now a rupees 5 lakh reward was declared against him. And obviously, that reward amount must have been crucial as far as gaining information about whereabouts and movements of Vikas Dubey, because clearly he was the criminal number one, wanted number one as far as UP police's list of wanted criminals was concerned. And it does seem prima facie that somebody who passed on information to UP police or to Madhya Pradesh police would have done it because of the kind of reward that was declared on his arrest. And definitely the never-ending, relentless, attempts by the UP police and STF, coupled by efforts from the Madhya Pradesh police, Rajasthan police, and police in Haryana and NCR region, that definitely seems to have, reached a conclusion and reap benefits for the police finally.
That's right. In fact, let me now quickly go across to our colleague Govind, who's joining us with more inputs on the story from Bhopal. Govind, congratulations on that news break. First, getting us the visuals of the arrested gangster Vikas Dubey from Ujjain. बहुत बड़ी सफलता हाथ मिली है. क्या कुछ पता चला है गोविंद कि कैसे पुलिस को पता चला कि महाकाल मंदिर में उज्जैन के ये गैंगस्टर पाया जा सकता है?
Yeah, absolutely, Preeti. It's like Vikas Dubey had just appeared there in front of Mahakal to surrender himself, or ऐसा अब जैसा कि हमारे साथी बता रहे थे कि इनका जो मध्य प्रदेश से एक सॉलिड कनेक्शन है, इनकी ससुराल यहाँ पर है, साले यहाँ पर रहते थे और शहडोल में उनके साले और भतीजे को यहाँ से पुलिस ने एटीएस यूपी ने उठाया. सो दिस इज व्हाट नंबर ऑफ क्लूज वर कमिंग फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश. द कनेक्शन ऑफ विकास दुबे फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश was completely entirely solid. That's why the police was also on alert in the regions like Malwa and especially in Chambal. We had the inputs from Chambal that he may just cross the border of UP, MP and also enter to Madhya Pradesh because मध्य प्रदेश के कई बदमाशों ने उसके साथ जेल भी काटी है. और जैसा कि उज्जैन में ऐसे क्लूज मिले थे सोर्सेस के थ्रू पुलिस को कि विकास दुबे यहाँ पर आने वाला है, वो अपने आप को महाकाल के सुपुर्द करना चाहता था, ऐसे सोर्स से जानकारी आ रही है. और उसने अपने आप को एक तरह से सरेंडर किया है पुलिस के सामने. और जब जो विकास दुबे को अरेस्ट करने के विजुअल्स ऐसा ही बताया जा रहा है कि जब कैप्चर कर लिए थे कुछ कैमरामैन ने तो उनके कैमरे तक रखवा लिए थे पुलिस ने. तो दिस इज डेफिनेटली द बिग break that Vikas Dubey has been arrested from, but still it's through the sources and official still waiting to just announce that the final arrest, is it really Vikas Dubey or not, but the solid sources is confirming this, that Vikas Dubey has been arrested from Ujjain.
And his pictures have been released. They are quite evident as well, but obviously we will wait for the official confirmation, so to say, that the police would definitely hold a press conference really now to inform the arrest of this gangster Vikas Dubey from Ujjain's Mahakal temple. And Bhavtosh, like I said, the script is getting even more curious now. Just as the entire police force was looking for this man to... Okay, I think I just lost that line with Bhavtosh, but maybe I can bring in Siddhant here. Siddhant, just as the entire police force in UP was looking for him to surrender, perhaps in front of a media channel in Film City or at the district court, he appears in front of Mahakal in Ujjain.
Well, that's right, Preeti. You know, it was Govind who got those visuals, who got that breaking for us that Vikas Dubey has finally been arrested. There were a lot of anticipation that he will be gunned down. There would be an encounter that would take place. But we can see that CCTV footage where police have nabbed him in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. So where police forces were searching for him in Delhi, NCR, and even Madhya Pradesh police was also was asked to be on alert. Now, finally, we are getting these visual confirmation from Ujjain that he has finally been nabbed from Ujjain. And even you can see a photograph which Govind has provided to us, which clearly establishes the fact that he is at a local police station and he is in police custody. So the manhunt of almost 1 week is over. More than 5 of his associates have already been gunned down by UP police. And finally, this dreaded criminal, this dreaded gangster who was on a run has finally been nabbed by Madhya Pradesh police. So it is a big victory for Madhya Pradesh police, because police forces across the country was looking out for him. At the same time, you know, there were most of the times when police forces could raid a particular spot where he was present, he managed to escape. The same happened in Faridabad also.
Right.
They were late in reaching that spot, but finally Madhya Pradesh police acted on time, especially Ujjain police, and kudos to Govind who broke this story for us.
That's right. And Govind, this is in fact the biggest news break of the day and exclusive here on Times Now, that we got this confirmation, these visuals from Ujjain where Vikas Dubey appeared in front of Mahakal at a temple in Ujjain, and that's the place from where he was arrested by the police. Govind, connection क्या है, एक बार अगर आप explain कर पाए हमें, कितने रिश्तेदार हैं विकास दुबे के मध्य प्रदेश में और किस तरह से possibility है? Okay, in fact, let me, before I go back to Govind, I want to quickly go across to Pranesh, who's joining me from the Newspit now. And Pranesh will help us understand these visuals and the photograph that has been at the moment, that is exclusive to Times Now, Pranesh, of gangster Vikas Dubey and him being, caught by the police there in Ujjain.
That's right. This is a fantastic job that Govind Gujjar has done. First to confirm the news break, first also to access the pictures, the still photo and the CCTV visuals that we are playing on Times Now, Preeti. And just to put this in context, ever since 8 cops from UP were gunned down by Vikas Dubey and his aides in Kanpur, Times Now has been leading the coverage on this. Over the last few days, we've got our viewers several candid camera sequences that exposes the nexus and the patronage that Vikas Dubey enjoyed. Finally, the chase has ended. Here you have the dreaded gangster, somebody who enjoyed patronage for good 15 years in Uttar Pradesh, somebody who has over 60 serious cases against him, Vikas Dubey, nabbed by the police in Ujjain. And like Govind was saying, that we have to stress this more and more, that this man had travelled from Kanpur, he had gone to Faridabad, from there he crossed the border, landed in Ujjain, and like Govind was saying, he was trying to surrender before the Ujjain Mahakal temple, but the police had other plans. They nabbed him before he could pull off his stunt, and now he will be sent on a transit remand, and the UP police will bring him to the Uttar Pradesh. And the other big story that we can confirm is that the UP police was tipped off, and I'm picking up some reports on social media. They were tipped off early this morning that this man might be in Ujjain, after which a team was dispatched, and local police's help was also sought by the team of UP police, which is how this dreaded gangster was finally nabbed. Big success. Remember, over the last 6 days, 5 of his aides have been arrested, gunned down by the UP police. Now, finally, Vikas Dubey arrested. Story broken first on Times Now by Govind Gujar.
Absolutely. And 6 days after he managed to escape the police raid at his residence in Chaubepur, dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey has finally been arrested. And this happened in Ujjain. Times Now being the first channel to break the story. Govind Gujar, our colleague in Bhopal, getting us the latest inputs on that front. But apart from that, I want to go across to other reporters now. Priyank Tripathi has reached Kanpur, and he's getting us inputs on the story. But Priyank, now that Vikas Dubey has been arrested, it's important to tell the viewers exactly how this dreaded gangster, who was being chased by at least 50 police teams of Uttar Pradesh, managed to cross several borders across states and perhaps various checkpoints as well, and reach all the way Ujjain to appear in front of Mahakal, from where he was picked up.
Yeah, Sandeep, Preeti, it was a very long run for the Vikas Dubey before he could have been arrested right outside the Ujjain's Mahakal temple. What we know that he stayed at his relative's residence for 2 days after the shootout, and later to that he shifted his base towards the National Capital Region. And then we got to know that after 2 days there was an abandoned vehicle which was found at in the intersection with, from where one direction was going towards Madhya Pradesh, and second was going towards the National Capital Region.
Right.
Then we spotted that Vikas Dubey,
Okay.